Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. We do have a run glitch to talk about, plus some freebies. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your really huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to wish everybody a very, very Merry Christmas. I have put together a quick little video just so that we could kind of celebrate together. It is 100% meant to be funny. It started out as a little joke between friends and it's kind of evolved into this video. So if you can't take a joke, don't even bother going and watching it. But if you like jokes and you need a good laugh, definitely go and check it out. And make sure that you read the pinned comment as well. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We also have a 3 off 1 cashback offer on the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. We also have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. So those are priced at $9.50. With the coupon, you're paying $6.50. If the cashback stacks with that as well, that's going to make your final price just $3.50. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and clip all of these cashback offers. We do have a new 2 off 1 for our Gain products. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, we're going to pay $5.50. We have a 4 off 2 on the Colgate. I believe that is from last week. I am going to pass on clipping this 1 off 2 for Breeze coupon for now, because that is on the lower end. Typically, we do get higher value coupons for those products. So I'm going to pass on that. We have a 4 off 1 for our Tide, the All Snuggle and Purex. We've got a 125 off 1. Those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Next up, just some more cashback offers. We did receive a new 3 off 1 for our Tide products. Those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're paying $6.95. We do have a 3 for $10 on our Gain laundry products, and we're going to talk about that coupon here in just a minute. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for our Skintimate razors. Those are on sale this week for $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We did receive a new 1 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste and the toothbrushes and the mouthwash. We do have higher value coupons right now, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for our Gain liquid laundry detergent and the powder. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Moving on down, we have a new 1 off 1 for our Energizer batteries, a 1 off 1 for our Lysol wipes. Those are priced at $3.15. After the coupon, you're paying $2.15. We also received a new $5.90 off 2 for the Downy scent beads. Pay attention to the sizes on these products as well, guys. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $16 for 2. Moving on down, we have Sparkle, we have Purex. There's that 3 off 1 for our Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. We have Goldfish, Tide Simply, 2 off 1 for our all free and clear products. We have a 1 off 1 for our Maxwell House coffee. Those are on sale this week for $8.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. And then we still have that 10-cent cashback offer. So if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $7.40. Next up, 2 off 1 for our Snuggle. Those are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're paying $6.50. Here we have a 2 off 1 for our all liquid laundry detergent, the larger bottles. Up next, we have a 1 off 3 for our Coca-Cola 6-packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $11. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 3. We also have a 75-cent off 1 for our True Living dish soap. Those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And then down here at the bottom, we did receive a new Gain DG Store coupon, and this one is a 5 off 20. So let's go ahead and talk about this Gain DG Store coupon, because we do have a little run glitch to talk about. But first, I do want to remind everybody to be aware of the size changes. We literally go through this every single year with the P&G products on everything from laundry detergent to paper towels. They always make the sizes smaller, and they will keep those products at the same price point. So especially with the way that I do my scenarios, I want you guys to be very, very careful, because a lot of times I will just simply write out one Gain laundry product at $4.50. So make sure that you scan every single Gain product. Do not let those size changes throw you off. Now, we also received this Gain coupon right here. This one is a manufacturer coupon. It is 3 Gain laundry products for $10. You are supposed to pick up one of the flings, one of the fabric softener, one of the dryer sheets, or one of the fireworks. But this coupon is glitching. You do not have to pick up one of each. You can pick up 3 of the flings, 3 of the fireworks, 3 of the fabric fabric softener or 3 of the dryer sheets, and the coupon will still work. That is going to leave you paying $10 for 3 products. By the way, these are priced at $4.50 each. So basically, it's kind of the same run deal that we had going on last Sunday, except for this time it is on the smaller Gain products. Now, like I said before, we do have this new 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon. So here's a quick little deal that you guys can do all week long. Pick up 3 of the Gain products priced at $4.50 each, and 1 Gain product priced at $7.50. Again, scan, scan, scan. Double check those sizes and make sure that all coupons are applying. So that is going to put your subtotal at $21. You're going to use the 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon, the 3 for $10 manufacturer coupon, and the 2 off 1 Gain laundry product. After coupons, you're paying $10.50 for all 4 products. And in my book, that is a fantastic deal. Now, like I said, I am calling this a run glitch deal because the shelves were cleared at plenty of stores last week by the time Saturday rolled around. So make sure that you get out there, get your Gain deal in before the shelves are cleared. Now, next up, we're going to talk about a few freebies, but first, I do want to ask you all, who all got in on the money-making ice cream deal that I shared with you all in Friday's video? I'm pretty sure that's still going on. I picked mine up on Friday, turned in my receipt. I've already received my kicks back, so I was super excited about that. Now, let's go ahead and talk about these new freebies. So this week at Dollar General, we have an instant savings deal on the Purina Beneful wet dog food trays. You're going to instantly save $2.50 at the register for purchasing 4. So what you want to do is pick up a total of 4. They are priced at $1.50 each. That's going to put you at $6. The $2.50 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and then we also have a buy one get one free digital coupon. That's going to take off $1.50, leaving you paying $2 for all 4 wet dog food trays, which is a fantastic deal. But it gets even better because we do have a DG cashback offer for 50 cents back on 1 with a limit of 5. So if everything stacks and works together, you're going to get back $2 for picking up all 4 Purina Beneful wet dog food trays. That's going to make your final price completely free. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. Again, I wish each and every single one of you all a very, very Merry Christmas. And y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy awesome deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.